Welcome to Pilot Careers Live London Heathrow. London Heathrow is a signature event of the series of Pilot Careers events which take place across Europe.
As you can see, the event is absolutely buzzing. There's over 1,500 visitors so far, and we're only halfway through the day, so it's going to get busier. But we've got such a range of exhibitors. We've got the flying schools that are based in the UK and Europe. We've got the military here, the Royal Air Force. We've got the Navy here. We've even got NATS here. Now, what that's telling us is they are needing younger pilots to come into the profession.
Serves two ranges of people. There's a lot of people coming through who are right at the beginning of their journey, who are just finding out about the early stages of how to become a pilot, but there are also quite a wide range of people coming through who have some experience and are asking specific questions about specific choices that they might make later on.
So this show is quite unique is because it's all of these training organisations come together in one place. So there's nowhere else where you can actually talk to all these different flight schools in one place, compare directly one against the other in one day.
I've been able to look at different schools and see what they all offer, where they fly, it's different places. It's been a good experience and good exposure for me as well to see how things are done on the other side of the world.
Wanted to be a pilot since I was really young, about 8, and it's just really great to have the opportunity to come to such a large event where there's so many airlines, schools, different schemes available.
Actually speak to people and just to collect that information, and watching the seminars and the videos that they show and their experiences, then going to actually speak to people in the RAF, that makes it a bit more real.
Over the years, the show has developed into Europe's #1 event.
It's great for us to be able to see people that are enthusiastic about airlines, so we can explain to them what the process is, so they fully understand the level of commitment they need to make to the airline industry, to the training and to their own careers. So that's why these careers events are so good, because we can talk people through that properly, face to face, support it with some literature, and at the end of the day we can make a really good impression that they are going for the right sort of career, because the opportunities at the moment in aviation are fantastic.
As well as pilot training, Pilot Careers Live has also expanded into new areas, which now include universities, which have become an even more important part of the students' career choices, air traffic control and air engineering.
It works for us because the people that we see walking around here, although they mainly want to be pilots, are also very suitable for our line of work. It's still aviation related, they fit the correct profile, and for us it works because we're seeing people that are already interested in the aviation world.
I think what is unique about Pilot Careers Live is the variety of organisations represented. Whether it's modular, integrated or other sort of fields of aviation, you can really find out about it here. That's why we've always really wanted to support it. To be here today is a real pleasure.
It's important to remember, it's not just a pilot career event, it is an aerospace event. We are looking at new venues in Europe to expand the show and to expand the reach of pilot careers generally.
When I attended first time 6 years ago, it was still a very big event then. It is definitely bigger now. You can definitely tell when you look at the stands, the exhibitions people bring here, the difference is huge. People really do put effort here into attracting people in the European market.
We've been doing this show for over 30 years, and what we've seen is a huge increase in the number of people attending the show. The show, in terms of exhibitors, yes, there are more exhibitors. They're coming from around the world, whereas they were more UK-based in the early days. The show is thriving, the industry is thriving, and it is the place to come for aviation advice.